Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device. Uno knows here one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a tour guide has been charged after he allegedly raped a woman in Lodge, St. Anne, following a tour on August the 6th. He is 27-year-old Navardo Cousins, otherwise called Digo, of Three Hills, St. Mary. The Ocharias police say about 2:30 p.m. Cousins was the scheduled tour guide for the woman, and upon finishing the tour, he took her to a secluded area where he sexually assaulted her. Mighty God of Daniel. You know, so lately, a peer raper boy up at St. Mary. I want one for up there, sir. What is really going on for up there, sir? Eh? My wisdom warriors, don't I hear this here? He's a tour guide, Tour guide, so I don't know what that mean. I don't know what that mean. He's a tour guide, so obviously people are going to trust him. You can't imagine after him done do the tour, him bring the lady somewhere. I want different area and sexually assaulted her. Jano. But I just don't know what else to say, my wisdom warriors. I just don't know. I always come out and I lick out against the raper boy them. I don't know how it go already. But remember, so the justice minister protect them, This is the thing, This is why you see raping can't stop, Because when you have a justice minister, we protect the raper boy them. Una sister, our country is going down the hill. Una sister, our country is going down the hill. Because you have Delroy Chuck, a justice minister, that him now publish the sexual offender registry for whatever reason. I do not know why. Seems like he can get the kick out of it. The last time, I showed you the video clip how he's making a mockery of a woman that has been assaulted. He's making a mockery. He's laughing and jeering. My wisdom warriors, these are the things where we're supposed to go out and protest about, These are the things where we touch the road and protest about. You have a justice minister in parliament laughing and jeering and calling. When a man rape a woman, he's calling that a relationship. You can't imagine the Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck, that is the justice minister. Mark Golding, you see, when you win, I am begging you, sir, because you see all these people were in a Jamaica Labour Party need to go to prison. Every single one of them need to go to prison. My wisdom warriors, you can't imagine a justice minister out here jeering women and calling a man where rape people, girl pitney. He must say it is a relationship. A woman that want to secure themselves and a man that want to take advantage. That is a relationship. How dare you, Delroy Chuck? Hey, you see the type of people them where Andrew Honest having in cabinet? You know see the type of people, and the labor right, they don't see this, Them see it, my wisdom warriors, but they don't care. So the labor right, them no business with not even their ratted whole self. Not even themself, they no business with my wisdom warriors. Not even themself. Because I never see none of them come out and talk about it. Anytime I put up nothing on my TikTok page, the whole of them rush underneath there. But when I put out Delroy Chuck, the whole of them watch it, view it, and not one person comment and say, no, Delroy Chuck, as bad as things maybe, me a labor right, but me not like that. None of them. Your sister, we in a trouble though. Una sister, we country is in a big shit. Una see that though. These people are out here raping, and most of them people who do rape are people who do it constantly, then continuously doing the rape. And I don't understand why the government of Jamaica not release the sexual offender registry. Me want to know, look how much people get raped. Then I see them come out and talk about how rape is reducing. No, too lie, man. JC, if you not stop it, you know. You all I go go rotted the whole hell, man. You're not too wicked, man. You're not too wicked. You can't imagine. You can't imagine, my wisdom warriors, these people out here. I said crime are reduced. Look how much gruesome killing happening every single day. And they're out here saying crime is reducing. Rape is reducing. You stop it, man. That is a lie, man. That is a lie. I'm sick and tired of this stupidness now, man. I want to come out of power. Uno labor right. Uno no mean the Jamaican people well at all. Jamaican people. I want to get up, you know, man. I want to protest, you know, and stop going like you don't have no sense, you know, brother. I want to get up, you know. I want to get up. Serious, you can't sit down in this, so. I saw a coward. Really, me have to ask you, I saw a coward. Not even come, you can't even come out for the people them where I get raped, the people them where I get missing. Come on, Jamaica, what do you know, man? You have to stop being selfish and think for everybody. Because anything happen to one person, I will we happen to. Because nobody no know when your time a go come. Nobody no know that. Come on, man. We need to touch the street. Also for Delroy Chuck to step down. We need to go and protest about Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck for remove immediately, my wisdom warriors. Delroy Chuck, the justice minister, need to be removed effective immediately. It is not safe for Delroy Chuck to be our justice minister anymore. We have to get rid of Delroy Chuck. Look what this man is doing. This man is protecting all the rapists. That's why rape can't stop in a Jamaica. That's why. Because if you don't want to help the people, every day them come out, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? And I say, we fi protect we pitney, protect we pitney. But what them a do fi protect we the citizen? What are they doing? And that me want to ask you know. And then every day you come out and go on like some good people, brother. You not good somebody, man. You need to lift up. And just because Jamaican people still a blouse and skirt sleep, them still asleep. Me the things that them a wake up, but really and truly, them still asleep. Delroy Chuck got to go because Delroy Chuck feels sorry for the raper boy them. Delroy Chuck no feel sorry for the victim, you know. Delroy Chuck feels sorry for the raper boy them. That's why I protect them, my wisdom warriors. He is protecting them. You don't see how Delroy Chuck me play it over here. You don't see how Delroy Chuck a laugh and a jeer woman. And I said, you know, you have some men that you know want to be adventurous, and you know the woman want to secure themselves. That is like a relationship. You can't imagine a justice minister talking like that, and we Jamaicans are okay with it. We are not okay with it. We are not okay with it. We are not, and we want you to be removed from your position, Delroy Chuck. Effective immediately. Effective immediately. This need to stop. Do something every day you come out. Parents do this. Parents do that. Remember in Jamaica, the reason why me I tell you, sometime we say me I cuss Jamaica. No. And of course me I cuss no. I want to know if you understand Jamaica, there is human trafficking going on in Jamaica. And I'm not now hide that them same one come out and say it. Juliet Cockburn Flynn. She come out and say it. She's the Minister of National Security. Child trafficking is going on in Jamaica. Child trafficking, human trafficking is going on in Jamaica. This is why me a call upon uno for protest. This is the whole reason me a call upon uno for protest. What go happen if you no go out? Bring on a cardboard, write it up. Go out and protest for the missing pitney them. 11 pitney missing from the state care. 11. I want to hear nothing about it. Only one day the paper put it out, and that was it. 11 pitney missing from the state care in the space of 1 month to 2 months. You didn't know that? Early morning, hours of morning, when them claims that them workers claims that them grown, go check, them couldn't find pitney. And nobody not talk about that. Me not see nobody a go out and protest. And when me say no selfish, you no come over here and go and like say you no selfish. Because Jamaican, if you no unite, things will be better. But we're not doing that. We are not doing that. And it really upset my spirit. Because you know what I notice? Because it not happen to Uno, that's why. Because it not happen to Uno. So now pre-life, you know, Uno for stop pray like that. Stop pray like that. And let's do something about this. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, you know, say a pure bangarang are going in the UK. Pure bangarang, pure riot, pure demonstration, because guess what? People are protest because they want better. And you know, me see nationwide put out Jamaican say them scared. You know what? I just don't understand Jamaican. Everything, every time, every country, every single country is going out and doing them demonstration and protesting. And Jamaica talk about them afraid. Afraid of what? Afraid of what? Everybody know how it go. UK every single day, not one day no pass the UK, they not protest. Somewhere in the UK, they ever protest. And anytime them the people they come out, you know. Anytime them the people they come out and say this they want, you know. Government have to retract back them statement, you know. Me tell you no. Me not ask you no. Me I tell you no. So when me see nationwide I run, can me know how them operate, you know. Me see them a run now and I put out and I say, oh, them spoke to somebody. My wisdom warriors, me have it right as so. Let me read it for you. Hear this. Some members of the Jamaican diaspora in the United Kingdom say they are living in fear amidst ongoing riots across the country. My wisdom warriors, me have to laugh. Me have to laugh. Everywhere, this me try to show you no. Jamaica, you so coward. Since you know those coward, so. You no coward finna mix up. You no coward fi bring people business and know people business. You no coward for other things. But for stand up for no rights, no coward, and I talk about living in a fear. Listen, Alando, I beg your papa. Listen, go on back to Jamaica. Go on back to Jamaica. Go on back to Jamaica, because I don't know which nonsense is this. My wisdom warriors, people are protest for what them want. You understand me? People are protest. I saw UK work and I'm not new. And I'm not new. I'm not new. Me tell you that. And I'm not new when it come to UK and protest. But when you must say them living in fear, stop it. Please, Alando, go sit down. Really and truly, go and go sit down. Go and go sit down because you look like you're a labor right. You don't look like a something when I try spread. Seriously. Seriously. My wisdom warriors, let me continue reading because this is like madness. The riots have been sparked by the spread of false information surrounding the murder of 3 young girls. May I read this from Nationwide? Speaking on Cliff Hughes, Alonda Spalding, a Jamaican who has been living in the country for 25 years. This man I live in a UK for 25 years and say he has been living in constant fear. Me box cover, brother. You wanna tag him there for me, brother. You have to be a labor right. So no one spread rumors now. Listen, me telling you something. I'm not too ratted all coward. This is why no protest can happen in Jamaica. I'm not too afraid. I want to get so soft. I want to turn such a soft as. Me not Jamaica now, what do you know? I want to just get so soft and cool up. People have to protest. And this man, brother say him live in a UK, my wisdom warriors, for 25 years. You can live in a UK for 25 years and you fear for what kind of life? From you see riot, I go there, so you know, go that side. From you see riot, I go on someplace, my wisdom warriors, all you do, you know, go there, so nothing not gonna happen to you. You understand me? If I in your ends, all you do, you tell your workplace, you're not gonna come out, and your workplace not gonna beat you for that. So if you see riot, I go on in your ends, and then I'm not going to come out. And then I'm going to talk about, I disagree with Alando. I disagree with Alando about living in fear. I disagree. A propaganda now, they want spread pan UK. UK are one of the most protective places. Me not say people not do things in my wisdom warriors, but one thing them are protect them people. One thing. So when me hear this man talk about how living in fear, that is a lie. And I disagree with him. Nothing like that. Nothing like that, brother. But guess what? Them are labor right. This a man have to be a labor right. Me nah ask Christ, me I tell you no. Because guess what now? They want to make it look like UK is bad, you know. You notice who put it out? You notice who put it out, my wisdom warriors? You come like you not read. You have to read between the lines, you know. You have to read between the lines. So this man, me no know where my chat about. Orlando, brother, stop it. Stop them the something there. Cause we talk a rubbish. Stop it. Stop it. Cause one thing, you cannot make them people live in an fear. So don't do that. I disagree with you. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, if this a boy you live in a fear, all you do, you go back to Jamaica, where you not going to live in a none. Hey, me ratted wall. No, sir, from a barn. My wisdom warriors from a barn. Listen, let me tell you something. You see, anything the people them want in a UK, them get. If the government come out with sitting and then say, you know what, we not like that, you know. We are touch the street. Them touch the street. And they always work in the people's favor. Always. Lot of Jamaicans who not too coward and scary. Me don't know who to get this a development from. Me don't know who not mix with it. You must say I mix with different breed. Lord Jesus. You must mix with different breed for you just get you turn surfers. You know, man, our ancestors wasn't like that. Our ancestors wasn't like that. I may have to talk truth. Some people are going to be offended. Well, who the cap fit, let them wear it. Because at this point, I do not business. I don't know how it come down already. I have to talk truth. I'm not pretty up nothing. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. A historic convention has been agreed on by United Nations member states, including Jamaica, to help tackle the global rise in cybercrime. The first ever UN Convention against cybercrime was approved by consensus on Thursday after 3 years of negotiations and a final 2-week session in New York City. It will now go to the UN General Assembly for formal adoption. My wisdom warriors, you see, anytime when you hear Andrew Owners come out and make some little talk or some little tweet, you know say something in something. Something will puzzle me. Them say 3 years they have been negotiating this. So how we never know about this? You say what go on? Jamaica and other UN, United Nations members approve first treaty targeting cybercrimes. How we never know about this? And just other day we hear Andrew Owners come out and say how you might go track people and this and that. So how them do this from 3 years, you see? You see, Andrew Owners, anytime he come out and make like a speech, notice, something up him sleeve. Me always tell you no. He's not a man for play with, you know. That's why we have to get him out. See, now they ain't gonna sign treaty for targeting cyber crimes. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, you know, so me have to do my research. Me get this from the Gleaner, but me have to go and dig deep. Hear this. The first ever UN Convention against cybercrime was approved by consensus on Thursday after 3 years of negotiations. It will now go to the UN General Assembly for formal adoption. The convention faced opposition from human rights groups which warn of possible dangers such as surveillance of citizens. The convention seeks to promote and strengthen measures to prevent and combat cybercrime more efficiently and effectively, according to a draft document. It also seeks to promote, facilitate, and strengthen international cooperation, capacity building, and technical assistance to prevent and combat cybercrime. Jamaica's delegation was led by Ambassador Brian Wallace, the country's permanent representative to the UN. Ambassador Wallace described the adoption of the UN Cybercrime Convention as a remarkable achievement given the challenges associated with multilateralism at present. He said the negotiations leading up to the adoption profited greatly from the constructive and skillful participation and engagement of the CARICOM group, expertly led by Jamaica at the technical and diplomatic levels. The members of the delegation can be justly proud of this outstanding success, he said. Ambassador negotiated as a single group, which was led by Jamaica's Senior Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Andrea Martin Swaby. The Jamaican delegation included representatives from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Ministry of National Security, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, and the Permanent Mission to the UN. So my wisdom warriors, I never know from 3 years ago. them all started this. I didn't know. I didn't know. Una did know that? Put it in the comment section. Anytime when I say Andrew Honest come out, remember, Andrew Honest come out and talk about the hate speech. Remember, hate speech. Just look out for it anytime soon because it is coming. It is coming. Look now what them do. I never know say all this was going on. I didn't know. My wisdom warriors. It not surprised me, but I just can't believe they were doing it from 3 years. That's why Andrew Honest come out and a hype. That's why I'm come out and a hype. When fi use and do with it, he not do with it. When he fi track down people, he can't track down the murderers them. He can't track them down. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that Mark Golding's picture has been removed from the Social Security Ministry. Jano, you see, sometimes, me I tell you, man, sometimes it just upset my spirit. Because we Jamaican allow a lot of things, we just sit back and you know what, Jamaican, me not even going to say Jamaican right now, PNP, can't sit down, like this, and allow Andrew Holness fear react like this with the opposition leader. No, can't allow that. Cannot allow that. No, Colonel Charles, with him bright self. Yeah? The whole of them, I all of them think this year. Remove this side, This side for remove Mark Golding picture. Why would they do something like that? You know why? Because through them things say Jamaica got turn republic underneath Andrew Honest and so them a remove Mark Golding out of the picture for now, but to not make a sad blouse and skirt mistake. Nobody thinks say you go run Jamaica Andrew Honest. You better go run your yard them. Go run a yard where they are St. Lucia. Nobody thinks that you go run Jamaica, brother. No bother with it. Only too bright and out of order. And the same thing Dirty Terror Lang do. The same thing in do. And only come now, come remove opposition leader. Who the hell you think you is? Let me ask you a question. Who the hell you think you is? On the bright, sir. My wisdom warriors, take a good look. Only just take a good look for me. See that the Governor General did it. I have Andrew Holness, and Colonel Charles and Norman Dunn. Norman Dunn, see him for we taxpayer money go to the empty building. You didn't know that? Norman Dunn. I think him a MP for St. Mary somewhere up there so. Yeah? He was the one, a him for we taxpayer money go to him empty building. Him a one of them. Coupon film picture up there so. Colonel Charles picture up there. So where's opposition leader? It's supposed to be the Governor General. It's supposed to be the Prime Minister, the opposition leader, and the person that is in charge. So how comes Colonel Charles picture there? So Norman done did it. So then remove Mark Golding. Take a good look. Take a good look. These are the stupidness we are allowing these people to do. These criminals to do. These stupidness, them a get away with all these things. Them suck me in a right. Them a suck me in a right, Jamaica. Them a suck me in a right. Come on. Come on. You can't imagine? So them a try get rid of Mark Golding from now. Yeah, so the things say. Una things say una go use amend constitution and come in with whatever things una want come in with and get rid of opposition. Una have a next thing come in. Una make a sad mistake because that now go work without allow it. Una too bright and out of order, but una remove Mark Golding. Coupon una too. Coupon una too. But una remove Mark Golding. Una bright and stink and out of order. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can do so by texting yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.